What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 18.2.1. And first off, as you can see, I'm not jailbroken and I do not have Cilio installed, the Jailbreak tweaks, Jailbreak apps store, if you will. But anyway, to get started and get jailbroken, all you need to do is take your iOS device and start your Safari browser and head over to this address, letitrain.com, and rain is spelled with the letter 1. And here they will tell you how this works. They will tell you that you can't install the Jailbreak Tweak app on because Apple has not approved that app. Cilio is not approved by Apple. But you can, of course, install apps that have been approved by Apple. So what they did was they simply took an Apple-approved app and then injected it with code containing the jailbreak in Cilio. So when you start this app, then the jailbreak in Cilio will be installed in the background. And to get to the jailbreak injected apps, all you need to do is go to letitrain.com and then click on this little icon here at the bottom. And now you will be taken to the Jailbreak Injected Apps store. Now, these apps contain both the Jailbreak and the Cilio, the Jailbreak App Store, Jailbreak Tweak Store. And when you now install these apps, then the Jailbreak in Cilio will also be installed in the background. And since the jailbreak is hidden inside of this app, you have to start this app and then keep it open for a while to give the jailbreak a chance to install. Because if you just open this app and then close it down, then you're also closing down the jailbreak. Now, hopefully, the phone is being jailbroken in the background. It takes 1 minute, perhaps 2 at most. So if nothing happens within a minute or 2, then this app has been patched already. But that's no biggie. If an app has been patched, then you simply need to try another app. They are, of course, all 100% free. Like I said, hopefully the jailbreak is being installed in the background. We should see very, very soon. Like I said, sometimes they do get patched, but new jailbreak injected apps are added daily. So actually doesn't look like this one is working. Okay, let's try another app then. And like I said, new jailbreak injected apps are added daily, or pretty much daily. So if you try an app and it doesn't work, then just simply try another one of the free jailbreak injected apps. And yes, they are, of course, 100% free, so you got nothing to lose by trying this. Now we shall see. Hopefully this one works. Usually it works right away on the first app, but sometimes you need to try a few. And now, hopefully, the iPhone is being jailbroken. The jailbreak and Cilio is hopefully being installed in the background. We shall see very, very soon. Like I said, if it works, we should see it very soon. We should see that the phone will respring like that. The phone will respring, and that's a very good sign that the jailbreak has worked, has been installed, along with Cilio. There you have it. And that's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 18.2.1. Now, if you like this video, I will be very happy if you commented, rated, subscribed, and, the usual stuff. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.